If the set real value of z minus z conjugate plus z into z conjugate divided by 2 minus 3z plus 5z conjugate, where z belongs to complex numbers and real value of z is real part is equals to 3, is equal to the interval alpha comma beta, then 24 into beta minus alpha equals to how much? Now first we have been given that real value of z, real part is 3. So let us say z equals to 3 plus yi or iy. Then what will be z conjugate? That will be 3 minus iy. Also z into z conjugate will be 3 plus iy into 3 minus iy, and that is equals to 9 minus I square y square, but we have I square equals to minus 1. So it will become 9 plus y square. Now let us see what is this. We have been given real values of real part of the complex number z minus z bar plus z bar divided by 2 minus 3z plus 5z bar. Let us substitute whatever the values we have here. That is real part of z is 3 plus iy minus z bar is 3 minus iy. So we'll have 3 plus iy minus 3 plus iy plus 9 plus y square divided by 2 minus 3 into z, 9 plus 3y, there is a minus, so it will be 2 minus 9 minus 3iy plus 5 into z conjugate, that is 5 3s are 15 minus 5iy. Now from here we have to get the real part, so let us simplify this. That will be equals real part of, in numerator 3 and 3 will cancel, we will have 9 plus y square plus 2iy divided by, in the denominator we have 15 minus 9 plus 2, that is 8 minus 8iy. Now we can take 8 outside and we can multiply with 1 plus iy so that we can get the real part. 9 plus y square plus 2iy by 1 minus iy multiply with 1 plus iy into 1 by 8. Now from here let us take only the real part. What will be the real part which will be coming? That will be 9 plus y square into 1 and 2iy into iy, that is minus 2y square, and in the denominator we get 1 plus y square. So let's write down, that will be 9 plus y square minus 2y square divided by 1 minus I square y square, but I square is minus 1, so it will become 1 plus y square. That is equals to 1 by 8 into 9 minus y square by 1 plus y square. Now we have to understand what is the range of this. Then we have to find out what is 24 into beta minus alpha. Now 9 minus y square by 8 into 1 plus y square. Let us try to write numerator in terms of denominator. So I'll write it as 10 minus 1 plus y square divided by 8 into 1 plus y square. Or can I take 8 outside and write down, that is equals to 1 by 8 into 10 by 1 plus y square minus 1. Now this will make our job easy because we know that y square is always positive. That means y square is greater than or equals to 0 and it can max go up to infinity. So let us take both the scenarios. One scenario where y square is 0, another scenario where y square is infinity. When y square equals to 0, our value will become 1 by 8 into 10 by 1 minus 1, which is equals to 9 by 8. Let us say if y square tends to infinity, approaches infinity, then the first part will become 0. So 1 by 8 into 0 minus 1 is equals to minus 1 by 8. So alpha is minus 1 by 8 and beta equals to 9 by 8. Then what is the value of 24 into beta minus alpha? 24 into beta minus alpha equals to 24 into 9 by 8 plus 1 by 8, which is equals to 24 into 10 by 8, which is equals to 30.